So first question is, what did you think about the event today?
I really love the event. I've been a big fan of Manuel, of Gavi, of the AGM family, and I followed a lot of content. I try to stay up to date, and honestly, I am so thrilled with the amazing, fresh information that I have never heard before. I was delivered today with information that I was just not expecting, and I'm very, very happy with all the new information that I've acquired, and I just feel like the value surpasses where I was expecting, and it's just day one.
Awesome. Well, second question is, what was your favorite part of the event?
My favorite part of the event was just seeing like the implementation of just seeing like how far we have come with AI, but how it's become so easy for someone like me or anyone really to digest the information and implement it. But I think my favorite part was just actually implementing. Like we went hand by hand, like how to create this, how to implement it, how to be able to do it. And I really appreciate that.
Awesome. And last question, what what are you planning on applying? What do you think of applying on your business what you learned today?
So what I'm thinking of applying in my business is absolutely just be able to implement the marketing strategies, because that is really the foundation of any marketing ad, any plan, any success for a business. And being able to know the steps and how to break it down with what I learned today, I feel like it's actually doable. It's not something that's going to take me forever to do. We did it like in less than 15 minutes, and just knowing that I can accomplish that is going to help, because I'm someone that dabbles into a lot of different things. We have different businesses, so it's so refreshing to be able to implement this, because all our businesses are different. And yet we can implement this with all of our businesses in a very easy fashion.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.